I am here to record. Let me record the games because I need to make. What the?
Why are you going first strike for Katarina?
Oh,
Did
that's
you even
new.
get that off?
Poor Professor added a new thing where you can finally keep track of the enemy's flashes.
Just cheating.
No, it's because what you do is normally you just time it. You like fast type the timing of the flash.
Yeah.
And I used to do that shit all the time. I'm just kind of lazy now because I have chat enabled. It's the reason why you don't disable chat normally. Yeah, it's the reason why you don't want to disable chat.
I missed all of that. What?
Ba, 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 ba.
Dun 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 dun
I'll
dun
be
dun
able to
bum
stick on anyone.
bum. Well, we ran the hill.
Just gonna be a meat shield.
Party days are my favorite.
I feel.
I like this
Any
video.
crafting pot?
Victors are the sole authors of history. Temporary power shadows.
One Q, give me Q. I need one more minion. Oh, I missed her.
I will rest when our homelands are restored.
She survived.
Like they know what to do with it.
That touched me? Oh, that's so sad.
Right, I ignited that. You did not need to go steal that.
No one will rock
What's your jungler?
Belter.
Let him get fed. Think of it like a Yi.
Yeah, I know. I don't mind it. It's just like, come on.
Huh? The mid lane, the mid lane KO is beating the Zed. Is Zed just that bad of a champion now? What the fuck?
He's terrible now. They nerfed him and then they did durability patch.
Good, because I don't. That champion's like cancer. He's not as bad as like Yone or fucking Yasuo. Those champions are so degenerate. Yone, I'd say Yone is the most degenerate fucking champion in the game with how bullshit his thing is. Rorik has a really funny early game. It's like really unfun to verse.
Freaking TP set.
Nature bends towards chaos. Given or flourish.
Man, I've been counterpicked so hard.
Honestly, it's the reason why I play so many flex picks when I play top lane.
That's why I don't play top lane.
What
Why
the?
this guy didn't back?
How did any of that hit me? Like what? I need to get boots. I'm getting hit by abilities that I normally don't get hit by.
Man, it would be fine if he didn't stun me every like 5 seconds. 4 or 5 seconds.
Gragas! Gragas is no mana, they're both dead.
Fucking hate Gragas. I had my first experience with a good Gragas and it was terrible.
We have the late game. We definitely have the late game. We just need to not eat.
I'm coming top. Does he have ult?
Yes, he does. He just got it.
Okay.
6. So.
If you wanted to just eat him, put them on the tower.
Mystical.
Alright, go. Walk him down. I know. You can Q ult. Well, that works.
No, she came back for the plate. Why did you come back for the plate? Come on. If you're gonna be roaming, you can't take plate gold away from the AD carry.
What are you playing?
Xayah. I know I'm
Oh,
dead.
you see.
That's the reason why I just kept going in, because I couldn't get out. So sad. Actually, very winnable if she just fought with me then.
Probably fight him if I had Bramble, Bambi Cinder, which I now do.
I'm gonna have to go this way. Oh, don't you just love fucking, like...
Yes.
Of course.
Oh. Not the subject. Okay.
I just,
oh my lord!
You said yes too early, so I didn't bother finishing the sentence.
Fair enough.
This guy's new to Bel'Veth. I'm sad.
Most people are new to Bel'Veth.
No, Mastery 7 Bel'Veth earlier. With like 100,000 points already.
That's what you call a one trick.
Oh, this Volibear is always bot lane. Don't push out my... whatever.
Oh, what the hell? Now I gotta walk to lane all over again.
Talking to people makes me want to stab them. So I do.
Don't really care if Vi's topside. I'm more interested if you're topside right now, my guy.
I was just... I was more follow up Bel'Veth.
Ah.
Sorry.
Oh no, I thought it was someone else typing. Just being a pain.
This Vigar's being a pain.
Vigar generally is.
I can no longer lane against him. You're
I have to
walking
play
top
it
side.
safe from a lane I normally shit on because like Leona taking like so much unnecessary gold.
You know the Q eat, right? You can Q him and then eat him with your yeah.
Oh wait, no you can't.
You can.
No, it's either stun or eat. Can't do both.
Yeah, they changed it.
Oh. I got top side.
Okay.
They changed it like when they made his like eat from the ultimate.
When they okay. That sucks.
Not really, when you realize how broken that ability was.
And how shit Tom was altogether though.
Chum was never shit. He was always good. He was just shit.
Oh, he was
always
just unplayed. He was boring. Although I started enjoying him in mid because I like his poke. How you can just eat a minion and throw at them.
The poke is fun.
I like the poke. And he could just win. He wins every single all in. It's not even close. Oh, does he have W? Nice.
I don't know. I feel like he loses most of them. Like even
Well, he does now.
no, like even before
they-
like he got nerfed to the ground, he lost most of them because he lost every one against a competent player. Like competent players are shat all over him because he lost to like every bruiser matchup. Bruisers are like bruisers are so dumb because they counter like because every single bruiser item counters like a tank. But if bruisers aren't that way, tanks are overpowered.
Oh, I had my hand on the wrong keys.
It's the reason why bruisers as a class is such a fucked concept.
MF is such a dumb champion now.
MF is a horrible champion right now. Like she's so bad.
Really? Because I've watched
Well,
her go
yeah.
20-0 in the last 3 games.
That doesn't mean the champion's good. It means the players suck.
She's a bad champ.
Yeah, she's literally the worst AD carry in the game right now. Like even Siv's
Wait. Oh shit. Who are we talking
Really?
about?
MF.
Oh, I thought we said Belveth.
No.
Because she's sitting on a. Hold up.
The biggest advantage that MF has is the fact that she's easy.
Rebellion puts the fire in the blood.
Why is she mid lane right now?
Everything below Master, Belvet's already at 50%.
Yeah. Because she's a power farmer.
Yeah.
Power farmers are OP in low elo.
Diamond is low elo?
Yeah, Diamond is low elo.
The fuck? I thought that was the borderline.
No,
Vigar's coming up.
high elo is Master Plus.
I guess Vi's already there. But Vigar's coming up as well. I don't know that. Don't tell me you win that. You win that?
Yeah,
I think you win that, yeah, you win
yeah,
that.
yeah. Trust me. There was a huge difference between those two elos. I don't play in them because I'm not good enough. But there is a huge difference between the two.
Oh my lord. I'm dying for these minions and it's causing me to lose lane. Or I'm close to dying.
What you should be doing right now, Jay, is buying all the like really overpowered, underpriced items right now.
Normally I just go straight from Bambi's into Bramble Vest and then sit there for a while.
Yeah, no, I recommend you start rushing like Frozen Heart and Black Cleaver. Those items are super cheap and they're super overpowered.
Chaos is the best currency.
I'm walking out. Never mind.
He's an item now. Now I just can't fight him.
Dang. Whatever. Why the fuck is everyone bot lane this game? Fuck me! We're literally on the tower getting on the tower 1v4 all game, man. Holy fuck. Oh well. They're everywhere. They're like fucking rats. There's pee.
6.9 CS per minute. Fucking hell, that guy hurts, man.
I have 6 deaths. I still have 5 kills though, so I'm still doing work. Cow's level 11, that's pretty good.
Zet and I are just in this petrol
Help!
ocean.
That guy got me.
Back off. Let Kale clean up. I got jumped on by everyone again. Everyone's after me. Help! I'm living these plays. I'm actually alive after these plays. What? So dumb. This game is dumb. Why is this game the way it is? Oh, what am I doing? I want to do this. I'm so close to buying my item. Am I useful here? No, I should clear this way from recall. And buy items.
Again.
Why is Brand still here?
There's Frozen Heart.
It does so much damage. Why does Hextech Drake do so much damage? What? What? Die. Yeah, that's just Aurelia's. Yeah, I got it. It's fine, Trundle. Don't panic.
Just keep standing here. Holy crap.
My score is perfect. I have 666.
I can't do anything. No.
Can my
So,
healing please happen? Thank you.
Dragon Balls just seem to find me.
Is there anything we can do if we go in?
Nope. Don't go. Don't go. I would die.
Time to leave.
I should have just stayed bot and took tower.
Whatever.
Anywhere not here. Be up for that magical creature discount? If our existence is
I'm kind
Goodbye,
of sad.
Vanguard.
I had to zone off the AD carry instead of join the fight.
You did the Q8 thingy. Let's go.
Kinda did, yeah.
I lost a free cannon.
I didn't. I made it up for you.
Okay, Trundle. Don't keep doing the objective and waste time over here.
When you're just so fat, you just stand there and punch him to death.
Lick them to death.
everything is
Not like I could move anyway.
What the fuck is this Trundle doing? God damn. He's literally just... I don't even know anymore, man. They were chasing Zed like all fight. He's fucked off.
Fly fishing.
Hi, fishing.
Is this actually faster? I don't know. I wonder if taking Hextech Gates to just run straight to me with Home Guard is actually faster.
Depends which home guard is, I guess. Aren't there different levels of home guard?
I don't think so, not anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just when they're active is the
Yeah,
difference.
that's the reason why I'm thinking like maybe it's just faster just to run to the bait, run straight down near the origin. I got minions here, I can push this out.
I'll go play with Seth gun.
Why are you still fighting him? Just fuck off with the ult!
Seth, come here. You stay mid, you can kill
Oh, this is
guy.
painful.
I just want the fruit.
It's fucking painful, man. Literally, like, watching this, I can't do anything because I can't, like, just walk up by myself and do shit. But, for some reason, the Trundle wants to chase down the... Fuck over, like, our top laner.
They get mine.
Like, our top lane is, like, carrying us. Please, just let our top laner carry.
I wasn't trying to steal it, by the way. I just wanted to spectate.
You could have if you wanted to. I'm a
Nah, I didn't want to.
tank. My job isn't to get kills.
no one will block my path.
Oh my lord, that's a lot of damage.
Spiders are my spirit animal.
What? Why? What's going on?
Back for me there.
An ally has been slain.
Jack's scaled. He got like he got his 1 in 6 power 06 power spike, and now he's stronger than the Gragas. So dumb.
Victors are the sole authors of history.
Oh, and they're still away bot lane. Whatever.
Do you think I can kill the Vi?
Maybe.
I feel like Fire's like one of the few champions who can just CC you to death though.
Homelands are the sports.
Yeah, so it's just a Katarina. It's not great.
Time to leave.
Here I am just trying to push a wave to like towers, and my team's like running it down in the fucking mid lane. We have Baron. Use the Baron, please.
All women desire cause.
I just stood there and took it.
Fire in my blood.
It's not like I was gonna get away from him. I'm gonna go do the same thing bot lane. You wanna go up top and deal with Set quick.
Oh, hello.
Oh, okay, this was a rough game. Really shouldn't have been this hard.
Cool.
Holy
all
cow.
them. Can